The home of Deputy Chief Minister Sniawbhalang Dhar was targeted by unknown assailants who threw a petrol bomb yesterday, marking the latest in a series of troubling incidents in the region. This incident occurred just one day after a police vehicle escorting retired Maj Gen RK Jha, NEEPCO Director personnel, was attacked in Demthring as he travelled towards his residence in Laitkor. East Khasi Hill Superintendent of Police Retd Ravi visited Deputy Chief Minister Dhar's residence in Nomansong following the attack. He confirmed that a petrol bomb had been thrown onto the balcony but thankfully caused no injuries. The Deputy Chief Minister has also lodged a first information report or FIR with the police, who are currently investigating the matter. Security has been intensified at the Deputy Chief Minister's residence, and Section 144 of the CRPC is now in effect, prohibiting the sale of loose petrol. Superintendent of Police Retd Ravi has urged upon the citizens of the state to refrain from taking matters into their own hands and to cooperate with ongoing investigations into these troubling incidents.
So today we received one FIR from Sir Deputy CM regarding one object that was hurled at his place, that is in Nomansong. We are still investigating what that object exactly is, and we will update you once further details emerge in this.
Has it busted this?
We are investigating. We will share the further details as and when they emerge. So the other incident that you are referring to is about that convoy of NEEPCO Director, wherein a burning rag was thrown on the vehicle, which landed on the escort vehicle. However, there were no damage or injury in that. In that case also we have registered the FIR. We are investigating that.
Ensure that the loose patrols.
We urge all peace-loving citizens of the state not to take law into their hands and to cooperate in the investigations that are going on and follow the rule of law. Thank you.